So hello, today Kia Sorento 2006 year outer tie rod replacement. A brand new tie rod over here. Tools you need 90mm for this nut over here, pliers to get this cutter pin off, and I have special cup for it to turn this tie rod out. Socket is specially made for tie rod ends. So let's see how it works. So take the 90mm socket, crack this open. Okay, I'm going to use this press to push this out. Take your impact gun and shoot to the job. That's how you do it. Simple and easy. Push it somewhere here. Don't want to move. Came loose. So this ball joint socket works as well. I haven't used it, it's brand new. So it holds this nut in place, so we don't have to do a new alignment and anything yet. If you install the new one, makes this job much easier. Turn it off and you can see it has even clunky noises. I don't know how well the camera can pick up the noise, but it's shot. Take the brand new unit. It has brake grease already on the nut and everything. No, nothing more than just turn it on. And now I'm taking this socket again. This nut is 21mm, by the way. I didn't mention that before. So I have to place this over here, over the top of it, a little bit playing. Oops, the new bushing has this rubber a bit higher than the older one has, and it went over. Didn't break anything. Just place this here so I can tighten it up a little bit. Should be tight enough. Let's see. It's not moving by my hand and everything. And place this back into the sprout. Take the new nut. And 90mm. Now we take the new water pin, wherever it is. Put it here and feed it in. Maybe I need to turn it a little bit more, a little bit back. Okay. There is a hole inside the bolt, so you can match it. Press it through. Take the pliers. Pretty much job completed. So that easy it was. Thanks for watching and see you on upcoming ones.